In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off website notifications on Google Chrome. If you're tired of those pop-ups asking to show notifications, or you keep getting alerts you never wanted in the first place, this walkthrough will help you shut them down quickly. We'll first cover how to stop all sites from asking, and then how to rein in just a specific website while leaving others alone. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, open Settings. In the left panel, select Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. Next, click Notifications. This is where Chrome controls who can interrupt you and how. To stop the prompts and the alerts altogether, turn on the option labeled Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications. Once that's enabled, Chrome won't show those request banners anymore, and you won't receive new notification alerts from sites. It's a simple, set it and forget it way to keep your browsing distraction free. You can always come back and change this later if you decide you want notifications again. If you want to jump straight to the right place without clicking through menus, you can type or paste Chrome/settings, content, notifications into Chrome's address bar and press enter. That link opens the same notifications page instantly. Now, if you don't want to block everything and only need to stop a single site, you can do that on the same page. In the notifications section, look for the list labeled Allowed to Send Notifications. Find the website you want to manage, click the three dots next to it, and choose Block or Remove. Block means the site stays on the list but is permanently prevented from sending notifications. Remove deletes its permission right now. The site won't send alerts unless it asks again in the future, and you choose to allow it. If you accidentally block or remove the wrong site, don't worry. You can revisit this page and adjust it at any time. To recap, you've got two clean options. Switch on, don't allow sites to send notifications to silence everything, or fine-tune individual sites by blocking or removing them from the allowed list. These changes apply to Chrome on the device you're using, so repeat the steps on other computers or profiles as needed. That's all it takes to keep your browsing calm, focused, and free from unwanted interruptions.